guys, welcome to Beauty Over 40. Welcome back. So it's that time of month, it's collaboration time, and we are taking Pride Month out with a bang. So myself and my girls of Beauty Over 40, we are creating a Pride rainbow look. Definitely make sure you check out all the girls. I will have all their information down below through all the girls that are participating in this month's collaboration. Make sure you reach out to them and show them some love. Let them know I sent you over. And if you'd like to see how I created this look, stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds, somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm going to be using the Urban Vibes Cosmetics eyeshadow base. I think this is like the light or the white one. I'm not sure of the name. You can find that link down below. And I'm TikToking at the same time. So hard to do this and TikTok at the same time. So challenging. Alright, I'm just going to go in with that base. Alright, I'm just going to take a brush and press that in. So I've been seeing and also hearing about the tissue trend on TikTok, so I'm going to be doing that, and yeah, we'll see where it goes from there. I want it kind of blown out. I'm just going to press that in and then bring a little bit down as well. We're doing a dramatic look today, guys. So let's just have some fun. So I'll just bring that all the way down and just blend it out. Press it. I saw another look I wanted to do, but I just decided to go with this one just because I've been so busy. I've been really busy with work and just honestly wish there were more hours in a day, or 2 of me or something. I don't know where I'm going with this, guys. I just know I'm doing the tissue trend, but I don't know. Well, to do the tissue trend, you need tissue. And I don't even have any down here, so let me go get some and I'll be back. All right, as I was saying, got my tissue. This is actually toilet tissue. I don't have any Kleenex. I just ran up to the bathroom. Anyway, I'm going to be using my Dream Cosmetics Gemini palette. So many beautiful colors in that, right? All right, so we're just going to scrunch this up and go for it. I have no rhyme or reason. Just gonna go in. I'm just going in. I don't really know if there's a special way you have to hold the tissue or fold the tissue. I'm just going to just go ahead. This green is reaching out to me, so I'm gonna start with that. Okay, we're just going to stamp one color down. I'm gonna fold that and do another color. Let's go in with this purple right here. Purple out here. Let's go with the flow. Alright, let's fold that again. Oops. I think we can get one more use out of this one. Let's do blue. So got a little blue up there. Blue. Get a new one. Let's split this one in half. Let's go into yellow. Let's put yellow right here. Woo, the yellow. And right here. And I think 1 or 2 more colors. I don't know what to do. Let's do this orange. And I'm going to put that right there and right there. And some right there. Alright, I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll be back. Alright, so I decided to put some white into it, and then what I'm going to do is put color on top of that. Anyway, I did this eye already. I'm using my ABH Nirvana collection. What is the name of these? These were all over TikTok during the pandemic. It is the electric cake liner. These glow in the dark, 2 color options. Well, I think these were the only options, but these are the colors inside. But if you're looking for like neon colors, something that glow in the dark, these are awesome. So no rhyme or reason, I'm just making like little squiggly lines. Just little squigglies. This is fun, guys. I haven't did anything dramatic in a while. What I'm gonna do now is go back into this palette and just pop some of those colors on top of the white. Same colors I use on my eyes. No rhyme or reason. I'm just going in. Hope you guys can see that. This one I think I'll make 2-tone because actually this orange runs into the other orange, so alright, let's try yellow. I love the yellow in this palette. I've never had a yellow that works so good. Love that. I miss doing fun looks like this. Go ahead and do our mascara. My newest favorite mascara is the Beyond Mascara by Viori Beauty. Love this. Like, it extends my lashes so good. And it's actually a treatment for your lashes. So if you're looking for a good mascara to possibly grow your lashes or just treat them, this is a good mascara. I love it. I want some dramatic lashes, and I have some right here. Alright, I'm using my Devotion lashes from my website. These are the silk synthetic ones. My lips get so dry. Like when I sit down and I start to do my makeup, does that happen to anyone else? My lips get so dry. It's like all these powders. It's like all these powders suck the juice out of you. I don't know. Anyway, this one is a Devotion lash from my website. As always, slide that across like it's a liner. I love how separated these are. Alright, so I have some little chunky glitter here. As you can see, I'm just going to put that on the lines. I don't want to put it all over and just have glitter all over my face. So I'm just going to do just on the lines. Okay, so as you can see, I have the little gems on there. So let's see, for lippy, what should I do? Shoot, I feel like the lips are taking longer than the eyes. All right, so I'm gonna finish my hair and then I will be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I wanted to come back and show you guys this lip that I did. I don't like it, so I'm gonna change it. I feel like it's a little bit too much. Go back over it with my foundation brush. All right, and then I'm just gonna reach for my nude that I've been reaching for the last 3 months. I love this. Ugh. For me, it's just the perfect nude. I'm gonna use the brown, contour my lips, and then I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Camo Concealer and medium sand to ombre that out in the center. Ombre the corners and the concealer. Get a bigger brush to brush that out a little bit more. All right, and that's my look. Yes, I like this lip better. It's much better. There you have it. Alright guys, so if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRHMakeup. And if you're over on TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRHMakeup. And also, I now have an _beauty over 40 TikTok. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. Turn on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. Alright guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye!